Now, what you want to do here is stick in an email address. Any email addresses will suffice, and phrase passcode. So don't forget your passcode because you can't retrieve it. So you generate the keys then, and you'll get a PGP private key and you'll get a PGP public key. Now copy your private key and then go back into your Gmail and go into compose email. Go then paste into your text box your private key and your public key. You can do these in two separate drafts or the same draft. Doesn't really matter. Just don't mix them up, and format it first, but you don't really have to. It still works. So then when you want to say create a PGP encrypted message, go up here to the right hand corner and press PGP encrypt message. You'll set public key of who you want to send the message to. Say I'm sending it to Joe Blogs. I'll use Joe Blogs as public key. I'll type in the message and then I'll hit encrypt message. The encrypted message will come up, and that is what you will send to Joe Blogs, who you have used his public key to create this message with. He is the only one that can decrypt the message because he is the only one that has the private key. If you need more explanation into this, please subscribe and leave a comment. Thank you very much.